Hello folks, renowned Samsung leaker Ice Universe said in late September that Samsung could release the Galaxy S23 series earlier than the previous variants, and an alleged leaked promotional poster may have confirmed the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus design, along with pre-order bonuses and the date when customers might get the option to pre-order the next flagships. According to this new information, Samsung's next Unpacked event for the Galaxy S23 series could take place on January 5th. Twitter user ORXDA posted the pre-order poster for the Galaxy S23 series. It appears to have come from South Korean telecommunications company KT Corporation and includes images that match up with previously leaked Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus renders, which had revealed that these two models would ditch their camera islands for a Galaxy S22 Ultra-like look. Assuming that the poster is legitimate, it pertains to an advanced pre-registration program that KT might have in store for the upcoming Galaxy S23 flagship lineup. The leaked poster suggests that KT customers could be able to register for the Galaxy S23 starting December 23rd. KT is the second largest mobile operator in South Korea. The poster also suggests that the registration period would end on January 5th, 2023 and may be followed by a pre-order period starting on the same day. In other words, the next major Unpacked event for the Galaxy S23 series may have been scheduled for January 5th, 2023. As a reminder, registering doesn't require prospective buyers to pay any fees. Registrations allow customers to show interest in an upcoming product and possibly get a better place in the queue once pre-orders go live. Several leaks and rumors so far have claimed that the upcoming Galaxy S23 series will approach the camera design from a different angle compared to the previous years, or more specifically, all three Galaxy S23 variants will borrow the camera design language from the Galaxy S22 Ultra. They'll have no camera hub but minimalist, individual circular cutouts for each rear-facing sensor. This alleged KT promotional poster seemingly confirms those reports, albeit the word confirm may be a bit of a stretch because we can't verify the leak's validity. I'd rather say it's fake actually. Nevertheless, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus, as shown in this alleged leaked poster, each have three rear-facing cameras surrounded by metallic rings. The back panels appear glossy, similar to the Galaxy S22 series, and the Galaxy S23 Plus retains the green color option from this year's model. Per rumors, the Galaxy S23 series will be powered by the unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in all markets, and leaked benchmark scores suggest that it will offer a huge performance uplift. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will most probably have a 200 megapixels main camera, and an alleged sample suggests it will be a tremendous improvement over the 108 megapixels camera on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is also very impressive. The poster also indicates that pre-order customers may get a pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro earbuds for free or for a lower price, although pre-order bonuses can differ by market. Will Samsung announce the Galaxy S23 series on January 5th at the end of this alleged registration period? Previous reports said that the company intends to bring the upcoming flagship to the market earlier rather than later, so time will tell. Anyway, we will keep you updated, so subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, good luck to all.